Have you ever decided to pick up a set of bootleg letter pieces to see how well they stack up and see if you can sort of replace them with officials with these and build some custom sets and custom wording for you? So yeah, a quick look, all of these look pretty decent. So here we are, we have the full alphabet. I didn't push all these pieces down because I'm gonna have to pull them off afterwards. We have our main numbers plus @.com and underscores and underdashes, etc, etc. And all of these, for the most part, they're printed okay, they're not the best. There's a few smudge marks here and there, and I wonder how easy it would be to scratch off some of these. I'm gonna got the 9, and oh no, that's staying on quite well, so that's good. And all of these have the bumped edges, so you can pull them off a bit easier than just flat pieces. So yeah, if you want a cheap alternative to actually sometimes kind of hard to get Lego tiles which is printed letters on them, you could get like special calendars or something and note stuff just for a single piece of a letter. If you want more letters and they're cheap, these are fine. So guys, just a comment below, guys. Take care, have a nice day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye now.